This video, I'm going to show you how you can import data from apps in ClickUp. Actually doing this, it is quite simple. Just follow these instructions to do it. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do this, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account and head over to this workspace name here. So if you click down, you'll see settings. Now from here, go to all settings on this sidebar and scroll down until you see import/export. So if you click on this, now we have two options, either to import or export items. In my case, I want to import items. Currently, you can see the history of imported items or documents in this ClickUp workspace. So I'll click on import and this will take me to this import options, and here we can import from spreadsheet, we can import from computer if we have a document, and we can also import data from apps. For my case, I'll wish to go ahead and import data from an app. To do that, go ahead and identify the app that you want to import data from, and these are the apps that are already connected to your ClickUp account. So for instance, if you want to import data from Asana, just go ahead and click on it, and this will redirect you to log into your Asana account. And once you are done, now you'll be able to continue and then choose the import option. So that's how you can import data from apps in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.